Hello Keto community and my friends. Today I am coming to you with a very short and simple tip. What to do if you are struggling with low energy on ketogenic diet. So if you are interested in this topic, please watch this video. When you are low in energy on ketogenic diet, it is typically an electrolyte issue. It is possible that you might not get enough magnesium, potassium, and sodium. On ketogenic diet, our body excretes much more water and electrolytes. So if we don't replenish these electrolytes, we might get dehydrated. Dehydration can lead to low energy, fatigue, muscle cramps, and much more. So for that reason, please remember to drink lots of water and take electrolyte supplements. There are a lot of amazing supplements, electrolyte supplements out there. But if you want to know what I like to use, I will put the information below the video. This is a simple tip for you. I hope you like it. Please let me know what electrolytes, what brand do you like to use. And if you have any question, please comment below the video. Please share this video with others so we can help more people. If you like this type of videos, please subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!